Ayo, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on that bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Alright guys, so today I have a package, and inside this package is the Jordan 1 University Blue. And man, I'm so excited for this. I bought it off of eBay with the authenticity guarantee blue check mark, so it definitely has to be authentic or else I can get my money back. So if it's not authentic, I can just get my money back. So let me open this up and I can just show you guys what's inside. I'm not going to show you this side of the box because it has my address on it. So let me just open this, cut the tapes. Try to show you this. So here you got the eBay authenticity guarantee on the box, and right here it says meet your soulmates, and then here's the box obviously, and it comes with some I don't know what these are, like these bubble wrap kind of things. Yeah, I don't know what you call them, but you guys know what I'm talking about. So let me take out the shoes. Oh, and it also comes with one of these things. It comes with this authentic, without a doubt card. So here's what it looks like. I don't know how well you can read this, but I'm gonna zoom it in just a moment. Alright, so this is what the card is. Feel free to just pause this video if you want to read it. And on the back, this is what it looks like. That's it. It's just a shoe with an eBay tag on it. Alright, so let me just put this aside for a second and show you the shoes. Alright, so here it is. Don't want to rip the paper even though it's kind of already ripped, but there it is, looking so nice. So let me take out one of the shoes, which is the left shoe. Alright, so here it is. Here's the left shoe. You got the eBay tag right here. You got some extra laces. Let's give you a view of the front. The other side. Okay, so what you should be doing with this is that you just gotta put your phone over it. Where is my phone? I don't even know where my phone is. So what you do with the eBay tag is you just put your phone over it just like this, and it'll automatically open up the browser. Honestly, I'm gonna take a screenshot of this so I can show you guys. Alright, so I kind of noticed that on the right shoe, the Air Jordan wing logo is a little bit messy. I don't know if it's just mine or whatever, but on the left shoe, it looks a lot cleaner. But you know, like I said, on the right shoe, I don't know if it looks kind of messy to me, and from my understanding, if it's messy, there's a chance it could be fake. So I don't know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be using the Legit Check app. So basically what this app is, it's basically an app that helps you authenticate your sneaker. It's gonna tell you to take a picture of the front, the back, the bottom, the side, the inside, and things like that. And it's gonna tell you whether your sneakers are real or fake. And it costs $3 US to do a legit check. And this is not a sponsored video, by the way. I'm just telling you. So what you're seeing right now is me taking the required pictures of the shoes for the Legit app to check if the shoes are legit. The Legit app asks you to take pictures of the shoe from different angles, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Alright, so it took about 5-10 minutes to authenticate, and the result is authentic. So thank God. I was honestly worried that they sent me a fake one. So these are a size 9.5. I used to wear size 9s, but I decided to just go for 9.5 just to have some more room inside the shoe for my feet so it's more comfortable. So the toe box has that nice crumpled up texture. Same goes for like the white parts of the shoe, and the swoosh and the ankle part over here has that nice crumpled up looking texture to it. It's as if you were to take a piece of paper and crumple it up and then open it back up, and that's gonna look like it's crumpled, right? So that's pretty much what it looks like. So the blue parts of the shoe has that nice university blue suede material, as you can see. Alright, so there are some glue marks. There's a clear one right here. That looks horrible. It's so bad. And here as well, you can see a little bit of the glue marks. And over here you got, I don't know how well you can see this on camera, but there's like a little bit of the stitching material that's just kind of sticking out. And in the back as well, you can see some glue marks, which just looks horrible, man. That's so bad. So on the other pair, as you can see, there's still some more glue marks. And here on the side as well, right there. Probably can't see it very well on camera. It's kind of hard to show, but in person it's pretty clear. And you got some more of the sewing material that's like kind of just sticking out there. And honestly, from what I heard, there are some fake pairs of these that did a better job at hiding the glue marks. So that is just a big L for Nike, man. That's terrible. Imagine fakes looking better than the real pairs. I mean, come on, man. So if you don't have a lot of glue stains on your pair of university blue, you are one of the lucky people that got lucky with your pair. Unfortunately, man, I did not get so lucky with mine. I mean, just look at this, man. Like you could see it so clearly. Like the glue stain, man. Like it's so far away. Like well, it's not that far away, but it's somewhat far away. You can still see a clear glue mark right there. That is a no-no. Alright, so the bottom of the shoe is actually a different shade of blue than the one you see over here. Like the one you see on the shoe is actually different from the bottom color. And honestly, that kind of bothers me a little bit. I think they should have just made it the same color. But I mean, hey, it is the bottom. Nobody's really gonna see it. I'm just saying that I would have preferred if they just made it the same color, but you can see a clear color difference even on camera. Alright, so on the back of the shoe, as you can see, it has that nice hourglass shape where it's kind of bent. A lot of the fake ones, they just have like a straight shape going down, but this one has an hourglass shape, as you can see. So it does come with some university blue shoelaces to somewhat match the shoes, but it's actually a different shade of blue, as you can see. This is a lot lighter, and it does come with black laces by default, and I think I'm just gonna stick to black laces. But hey, I don't know. I mean, maybe some days I want to wear this just to change it up a bit. It's completely up to you. I might just stick to the black laces when I'm wearing this, but if you ever want to wear these, you know, the option is there. You know, I'm not gonna hate on you. I'm not judging you. I'm just saying I prefer the black laces. Alright, so on the inside of the sneaker, you have that black insole with a university blue Nike Air logo. And as you can see, it says 9.5 because that's the size that I got. And let me just take this out so I can show you what it looks like. So this is what the stitching looks like. And this is what the insole looks like. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of my Jordan 1 University Blue. Let me know in the comments below. Is this a cop or drop for you guys? Or are you guys holding this shoe? Let me know in the comments below. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. If you want to keep up with me on my socials, I'll put them on the screen and I will link them in the description below. And if you want to join my Discord server, I will also put the link to it in the description as well. So guys, thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Later!